Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a Wix.com website for your wedding planning business. So the first thing to do is to create your account on Wix. It's nice and easy. If you can't, you can just view a video. You can just watch a video on our channel how to create a Wix.com account. So next we have to click on create new site. Now we just have to fill up what kind of website are we creating. Sorry, wait. Let's see. Nope, wait. Okay, let's just continue. And we said wedding planner. That's your job for today's video. So what's the name of your company? Like we said, it's Madaga, and we add a character from the keyboard. Next, what do you want to add to your website? We have chat, blog, Instagram feed, videos, portfolio, events, booking, online store, pricing plans, forms, videos, music, online program, table reservation, file share, groups, forums, restaurant menus, food order, or buy and send out. Clicking on next, we have start up your business. Let's go to dashboard. You can skip steps by creating the website from here, the design by yourself, or you can let Wix editor take care of the website. So next, let's go to dashboard like I said and follow step by step to the creation of our website. Sorry, I don't know why Wix.com is directing me to Editor X every time. So again, I'll fix the problem and I will go back. Okay, let's not go to dashboard and continue to create our website. I searched why Wix.com keep directing me to Editor X, and I found out that Editor X is like an upgrade of Wix.com. So they think I'm like a business owner or something. So they keep directing me to Editor X for more professional website creation. So here the logo, the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and social account like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, and others. Next, we pick a theme. Elegant Wild Rose. So it's Wild Rose, of course. It's a wedding planner. People have to see weddings, have to see rose. You have to think smart. So pick your favorite theme design. You have this one, and this one. You can always change pictures anytime, and you can choose everything, not only the pictures. So add pages to your website. We have a story, services, reviews, contacts, and others. Now let's go to edit our website. So here you can add apps, sections, elements, menus, pages. This is your website. You can change everything, add everything, and publish when you are done. It will take you from 2 to 3 hours to manage your website, add something, change every picture, and click on publish when you are done. Save yourself time. So by clicking on publish, your website is going to be online and everyone can access it from the link they will give you now. Here, this is the link. So click on done. You can also edit the mobile version. Something went wrong. Let's give it another go. Check your connection. Internet is connected. Keep the editor open. It's open. In a new tab, go to wix.com. Try the same action again. Now I think my account is ready. look at the website. It's good. Now let's go to the dashboard if we can now, or they will be directing us to editor X again. So I hope they don't. Yes, now it's good. Now the second step was to connect to a domain like madara.com, .net, .store, .web, something like this. But to do this, you will need to upgrade or to buy the domain. So the last step that between us and between our website to be published and people can reach it is to be found on Google. And click on get started to start your SEO journey. Add your brand name or business name. How do you serve your customers? We have, if you serve your customer nationwide or worldwide, you can choose this. If you have specific address, you choose here and you enter your address. So here you add your keywords, how people can find you on the web. Within management by Madara. What did we add for the letter? I think C. Something like this. And if I do this, I will show you why later. Now I will show you why, not later. So the first thing to do from this checklist is to add a homepage title like this. That's why I choose the long one, and the short one will have a purpose. Now this is the purpose. For the description, you will need at least one keyword and a business name. So here you can change everything if you made a little mistake, something. So if I just write this one, it will check both of them. Now let's continue by putting points, exactly 15. So the text length will be between 15 and 300 letters. So next we had add text to your homepage. You have to add a keyword or your business name to here, your website page. Next, it's to be found on Google is to connect it to a domain. And I said to connect it to a domain, you will be premium. You have to upgrade. Then click connect it to a domain after upgrading. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.